Okay, now we're going to use our skills of looking like a scientist to draw our insect. So I'm starting with that big outside shape, and I am going to start in the middle of my paper and I'm going to work lightly. That way, if I make a mistake, I can erase my lines. Like you can probably barely see my pencil line because I'm starting so lightly. I'm also looking at each part of my insect, and as my eye sees a shape, my hand draws what I see. I'm going to notice parts of shapes compared to each other, like how small is the bottom part of the oval compared to the top part, and where does the bottom part of the body end versus where the wing begins. I'm going to notice the outside edge of the wing as well as the shape of the leg. I can see that the leg has a little bump to it, so I draw that, but then I notice the leg gets thinner as it continues on. So I'm going to make my lines connect at the end. Make sure you're looking really closely at your insect, noticing each shape inside of bigger shapes and drawing what you see, not what you think you see. As my eye travels around the picture, my hand drawing the bug travels around the picture. Everything I see goes in my eye, down my arm, out my hand, onto the paper. I want to make sure that I'm looking really closely. Right now, I see that there's a little bit of hair at the bottom of my fly, so I'm using thin straight lines to draw that hair. Now it's your turn. I want you to think about how you can look closely and draw what you see like a scientist would. Have fun, artists.